Struggling with outdated tech and constant cyber threats? Impress IT Solutions has your back. In the competitive world of manufacturing, operational efficiency and data security are your top priorities. Impress IT Solutions provides managed IT support that keeps your systems running smoothly and securely. Facing issues with legacy systems? We modernize your infrastructure for seamless production. Worried about cybersecurity? Our advanced protocols protect your intellectual property from costly breaches. Compliance challenges? We ensure your IT meets ISO and NIST standards, avoiding penalties and impressing stakeholders. And as you grow, our scalable solutions grow with you. Say goodbye to unpredictable IT costs with our flat-rate pricing. Why choose us? Local expertise, decades of experience, tailored strategies, and 24/7 support. Just ask our clients who've seen a 40% reduction in downtime and boosted efficiency by 30%. Ready for IT excellence? Contact Impress IT Solutions today at 281-647-9977 or visit www.impresscomputers.com. Let's drive efficiency and growth together.